Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve arithmetic operators problem. So let's solve this. Here is your question. The provided code stub reads the two integer from standard input a comma b. Add a code to print the three lines where the first line contains a sum of two numbers, the second line contains the difference of two numbers, and the third line contains a product of two numbers. So the input format will be a equal to 3 and b equal to 5. The output will be like this. We have to write a code. So let's solve this problem. First we are taking one variable a, assigning a int input. This will be the a variable input format, and we are taking one more variable b, int of input. Then we have to print first addition. So we are taking one more variables result 1. You have to take add equal to, you have to print the addition. So we are using plus operator to addition. And then subtraction, we are taking one variable sub, and we are subtracting a in b. Then product. This is a simple code. Let's run this code. Okay, we got answers, and finally submit the code. This is the third day of solving HackerRank problems. Thank you guys. Let's subscribe to my channel to get more videos like this. Thank you.